Yo, what's up? It's YL with Crypto 10X, and in this video I wanted to share some news with you guys about Bittrex and Coinbase. First of all, let's talk about the overall market. We've been climbing for the last 1 or 2 weeks, and it's been nice. I'm pretty happy. Bitcoin's up 6% right now. There's a lot of great news around the speculation of ETF on August 18th with the SEC. There's great comments right now, so it's kind of looking positive and more likely that it's going to be approved and we're going to get it. I'm going to make a video about ETF if you're not sure what it is. But so far, Bitcoin's been doing great today. It hit at 83.50. That's the highest in the last 2 months. So people in the crypto market are pretty positive right now. I've even seen some things saying that we're out of the bear market, the bubble has bursted, and now we're on our way to this Super Bowl. Not Super Bowl, Super Bowl. I don't think that's it right now. We'll see next month. I think we're just kind of coming up and everybody's just hoping for ETF to, blow us up. What I wanted to talk about is Bittrex and a little about Coinbase. I'll start with Coinbase. So Coinbase has earned a reputation for itself as the most trusted cryptocurrency exchange in the US. Even though a lot of people are throwing hate and shade on it, they've been given the go to purchase Keystone Capital and digital Venate Marketplace and Digital Wealth acquisitions that would give it a broker-dealer status, and that is huge. Doing so would give them a license that would mean Coinbase could start offering cryptocurrency defined as a security, not as a utility, by the SEC, which is crazy. Coinbase also has a lot of different segments. They have a Coinbase Prime, which works with institutional investors, and they also acquired a $20 billion hedge fund. So they're doing some good moves, and they're working with regulators and the SEC, and they're pushing money into the market cap, and they're helping Bitcoin. These new regulations and laws and acts that Coinbase are pushing, these are changing. They're changing a lot for cryptocurrency in the US. So great on Coinbase. Also, if you heard a long time ago, Bittrex was launching USD fiat trading. So they're launching it in kind of phases. Some accounts got them first. I got an email that my personal account was eligible for Bittrex US dollar markets. So checking it out, Bittrex, they got a deal with a bank in New York, I believe, which allows them to give us the pleasure to trading in USD trading requests. So you get to choose if you want to let me go back there. You get to choose if you want to just trade. If you see here, USD trading only, USD trading deposits and withdrawals, or another bank account. So this is crazy because right now people were trading into USDT and True USD. The USD pairs is going to allow you to trade into Bitcoin, USDT, and True USD, and they're unlocking pairs right now. They have over 200 pairs on Bittrex, and they're going to be slowly throwing up pairs. I think this is the first step, getting accounts verified and allowed to be trading in and out of USD and sending money to your bank account and filling up your Bittrex with USD. So this is big because people can now go from their bank account and fill up their exchange account with USD and start trading, and then they can send it right to their bank account. I think it's pretty big because it unlocks also for institutional investors. They can send large amounts of money to Bittrex more safely than buying Bitcoin and sending it. And for people who don't even know how to start that, they can just load their account with USD. So big moves coming from Coinbase, Bittrex, and a lot of other exchanges. I'm pretty happy. You can see that there's a lot of questions you got to answer for this to happen, as you can see. But these are the steps we need for the market to explode. Overall, green day. So that's about it. Just wanted to share with you guys that you can now submit a request to start trading USD with Bittrex. I'm going to share that below so you can submit a ticket and get your account approved. That's it for today's video. Keep accumulating, keep stacking your coins, and make sure to subscribe, like, comment, because we keep pumping out opportunities and you guys can see them first if you subscribe. So thanks for watching, and I'll check you guys in the next video.